you said you recently
Yes, I'm recently unemployed.
unemployed as well. So that's why you're saying
Yes.
like it's changing. Like it's a
Right. So right now I have a little more time to myself so that I could analyze the markets better. Because at the beginning I was like mainly following signal providers, and you know how that can go.
So you never been like full-time trading, constantly
No,
profitable and
not consistent.
wow. So wow, that's
Yes.
great because that challenge to us is proving that you have to be consistently profitable the way we said it. So that's
Yes.
insane. Like I want to congrat again. I'll just pass it back to Nicholas, but I want to congrat
Thanks.
you again
Same.
and
Thank
can't
you.
wait.
Thank you.
I'm literally creating the account right now, so I wanted to say that as well. So we're gonna get it to your email right now. I like people don't have to get on this interview, but they say, "Oh, I don't want to be public and all that." We're like, "Okay, no worries. We're gonna send you your account." But we always like to do the interview first because we can connect with people and we
Yes.
can also make sure that well, even if there's nothing we can do about it really, but make sure
Yes.
that it's good traders. It's not
Right,
just
and we
people.
also motivate others, tell them not to give up, don't give up, don't ever give
Yeah.
up.
There you go. There you go. I love that. I love that. So I'll be in the background creating your account.
Thanks.
We like that. We like that. I like that. So, and I see the question. This is a good one as well. How long it took for you to become a consistent trader, and what aspect did you change to help you to become consistent?
It took me roughly around 2 years, and to become consistent, I had to keep educating myself on the market, what drives the market, follow the news, stop depend on signal providers.
News?
Yeah, some not really, but sometimes I will try and get in there. And definitely I try not to depend on any signal provider. I create my own analysis and I follow it.
This is very, very good. And this is what
Yes.
I've always said to every people that wanted to start trading. Like, don't follow other people trade. It can be good for a short-term period, but like you want to be the one who start your own trade. You want to be in control that on your own destiny and your own result, that you don't want to depend of anyone.
Right.
So this is a great mentality, and yes, this is very, very good. And so it took you 2 years to become a consistent traders, and like, do you took a lot of training? How are you educating yourself between these two first trading years that you have been?
Oh, nothing is not the first, maybe the last 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that. So what is your mental psychological strength, and how did you develop it?
Well, my mental strength to me is always believe in myself and always have faith in what I do. I always keep a positive mindset no matter what I do, where I go. And to me, I developed that at an early age because I never had that, how should I say it? I never believed in depending on others. And to me, life growing up was not easy. So I vowed that I want to make a change for myself and my family.
Do you have do you have kids or?
No, I don't have kids. Just my siblings and my mom.
Yeah, we all want the better for our family and for people that we like. Congrats.
Right. So my mom took care of me for all my life, so now it's my turn to take care of her.
I have the same mentality, and this is why we are there, to take care of them back. So it's very, very good.